second?
Sure, what's up?
Hi there guys, welcome to today's Captain's Blog. It's 12/12 on Saturday, November 4th, 2017. And this is the lying bitch. Lying bitch. She says she has to pee, she doesn't. What she really wants to do is just go outside and play with Stick. It's too damn cold for that. I gotta talk to Dad a second. I'll be back. Miss Moose?
Yes?
Your dog's a lying bitch.
Yeah.
She told me she had to pee.
She doesn't.
She doesn't have to pee. She doesn't have to. She just wants to play Stick. So what do you got going on?
We're in a sweater factory.
Yeah?
Yes.
Midget sweater factory?
It's tiny sweaters brought to you by Taylor and Moose. We're gluing them.
Yeah?
Yes, yesterday we cut them, sorted them, organized them. Today we glue them.
Oh boy.
Batman's excited. What you got going on?
I made your counter thing and I fixed your key fob.
Ooh! What was wrong with my key fob?
The battery was shit. Only thing that holds it together is a screw. One single screw on one end, not in the middle. So it's slowly splitting on the other opposite end.
Okay. This is
A little bit of hot snot, yeah, for your car.
Okay.
A little bit of hot snot and a brand new battery. Good to go.
That's
Works
awesome.
way more better.
Oh, cool. See? That makes me happy. What else you got going on?
I was gonna bug
Is
you.
this the countertop thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome!
Bruce made it sound like you still want the top not to be... Or do you want it secured to it?
Yeah, secure the top.
Okay.
Yeah. Ah, it's lovely.
Bruce, my master woodcrafter. You know what he did to me this morning?
What?
You see this frame sits inside of it?
Yeah.
He cut this 19. Okay?
Okay.
This back panel, 18 3/4. So I put it together and it pops my side off and I'm like, what the hell?
Is all better now? Okay.
So I'll secure the top and then you can paint it, whatever.
Gloss black, simple, easy. Alright, cool. So what else is up down here?
I got people doing stuff, make this is polishing the grate. I got members around. I was thinking of taking some of that extra 2x4 we got making a clamp cart. Fuck that shopping cart.
I agree, that's an excellent idea, though better than a clamp cart, I'd like to see a wall storage rack of clamps. Would be really
I don't have
cool.
wall space for that. That's why I want to make it it'll be a standing cart. On one side will be the super frickin' long ones and everything else will be kind of a tier.
Do you want to do it out of 2x or do you want to do it out of like angle iron? Have Joey weld something up?
We have 2x4.
Okay, well there's that.
That's
Right,
what we got versus what we can buy. Yeah.
Do it out of 2x.
Eventually, yes, I'd love that.
Jamaican.
Surprise anniversary gift for my wife.
Oh, cool.
Some exotic wood with steel inlays.
Okay.
And trying to figure out, this is not 5-minute epoxy, it says it is.
That's a damn lie.
That must be metric minutes.
20 minute epoxy.
No, it's more than that.
No.
I'm going on 60.
Oh shit. As it gets colder, it takes longer. That could be it, because it's kind of cold in here.
Let's get the rocks. Those are your rocks.
Those are my rocks.
They're fucking rocks, I get it.
No. This is not a love stone. This is a firestone.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to see if these rocks are suitable for flint and steel.
I see. So you're just gonna leave them here?
No, I'm gonna break them down. I gotta make them break in a certain way. And if they work, because these have nice sharp edges,
Yeah.
they might work. And if they don't work, we'll just toss them in a dog yard. No, we'll toss them in a dumpster.
They're sharp.
Yeah. Because if they do work, then I'm gonna make, here, take this. No sparks, but that's not tempered, so it only works with, you gotta have high carbon tempered raw steel.
Like
Tool
a file?
steel. Yeah,
Will file work?
file might work, might be too hard. I wouldn't do it with a file though, because you'll just fuck up the rock. But I have a fire steel that I'll test these with a fire steel, and if they work, then cool.
Ferro rod, that's what it is.
No, you're thinking of ferrocenium. Ferrocenium? I think.
That's something completely
Ferrocenium.
different.
No, that's something completely different.
Okay.
With that, you can just bang it against just about anything and get sparks. Okay. But yeah, I'm looking for a specific thing. Ferrocenium? I don't know. You'll tell me how to say it. What you doing? Oh, fun. Okay.
This is the dad of one of our open door students.
I figured that out. I'll bet it's his dad.
Probably.
Yeah. How about that?
If not, it's kind of weird.
Where's my car?
Outside.
Okay.
Batman put it out.
During the winter, when you have to move things in and out, my car comes right back in.
It will, yeah.
How long has that been sitting there?
Oh, it's not winter yet.
Oh, it's winter.
Okay.
Bring the car. Fucking semantics.
I don't want to run my computer.
Yeah, have Batman do it. It's cool. Who put my car out yesterday?
I didn't know that.
Okay, because somebody left it out all night.
Oh, nice. I like that one if you remember.
I'm going to need something to paint it. I can paint stuff. Hey, Batman! Now it smells like perfume?
Febreze. Sorry. Better.
It's better than what it was. Where's Batman? Captain to Batman, come in, Batman. Where you at?
Doing shop.
Alright, I'm on my way.
I'm migrating to the MDH.
I'm migrating to the MDH myself. Follow me, follow me. You're gonna like this.
Oh,
I'm gonna make you happy.
what am I getting?
This is how I protect you. Oh, fucker.
Traffic jam.
Batman!
Yeah.
We are now on winter mojo. When something has to come in or out and my car has to be moved, my car comes right back inside. My car got left out after hours last night. I didn't find it till the end of the day. The next time my car is left outside, between now and May 31st, I will park my car in Bay 2 for a week, non-stop. Okay. So now you have motivation, and your shit's protected. See, I'm a helper. Winnie! Hi, big dog. How you doing? How's a big dog? Tank a puppy. Yeah, you're a good dog. And the internet loves you. Yes. You need butt tank? Yep. Tank a puppy. Yeah. You just need someone to lean on. You want to see something cool? Check this out. What?
Hey, is John cleared to drive your car?
Who?
My employee.
Can he drive a stick?
Yes. And he has a clean record. He does plowing.
If he breaks my car, he buys my car.
Okay.
Okay. Check this out. Progress in Studio B. Those two rooms are going to stay. We're going to cover them. This gets rid of all the... This is going to get all recycled. We have uses for it. And those probably can't get recycled. So if anybody out there needs a really cool shaped drum riser, just let me know. You can have one. But we're going to get those out. And then I got to clean. And then do laminate flooring. And God damn it, maybe we'll start having a studio. Elizabeth is terribly excited about us having a recording studio. How are you feeling today? Yeah.
I'm not dying.
That's progress. Behold that awesome motivation and excitement. The fact that she's here at all is a goddamn miracle. She's having migraine hell. I appreciate the hell that people go through with migraines and stuff. I just don't really understand it. I've never had a headache in my life. I'm actually immune to headaches because I'm a carrier. I give headaches to other people, like this gentleman.
You definitely give headaches to
Yeah,
other people.
never had one in my life.
I've
I don't know anything
named
about it.
After you.
I was just thinking that. I was like, this dude just walked by wearing shorts. What's the outside ambient temperature at the moment?
I don't know.
It's officially cold.
The outside ambient temperature it's November
In Michigan.
in Michigan.
Yeah.
40.
40. Okay.
Showers in the vicinity.
You can bite him anytime you want.
Don't encourage that.
63 is okay.
It was so nice when we were up to 65 yesterday.
It was 65 yesterday and nobody told me. I'd have gone and flown something.
No, it's
Oh, in
65.
here. Oh,
Did you get a chance to look at the moon last night?
there was a moon?
Oh my god, everybody kept telling me go look at the moon. I had
It
like
was-
8 text messages at my house. I couldn't see it.
It was really, really close last night and full.
It really wasn't.
It was very low to the horizon.
Yes.
It was big.
Yes. The moon looks bigger when it's lower to the horizon.
Right.
It's still the same size. It's not appreciably closer or farther away. It just looks bigger when it's close to the horizon because you have things to sight it against to compare it to size.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Also, not just comparing the size, because it does actually look bigger if you took a ruler and measured them, but there's bending optics.
Right.
If the moon was actually that much closer to look that much bigger, we would all die.
Tsunami City.
Tsunamis.
Yeah, there would be all kinds of fun things happening. Now, I'm all for this. I support this idea, and if you can make it happen, I'm in. I'll kick in $10 on that. What? I live in Michigan.
Anything I build has got to be sturdy enough for me to fuck on. Ooh, that's scary.
No context. No context. What you making?
Oh, we're gonna get this gear off of here.
Okay.
So,
Why?
because if you see here, there's 2 little indentations. There's a dovetail that holds a piece just like this in there.
And they didn't put that on when they put it back together?
Well, when they put it back together last time, they just set it on there and clamped it down really tight. So it didn't really do anything, and now that's all messed up. So to put it in right, you have to
We gotta
this
pull
gear
this,
off, pull
unscrew
this collar
that.
off. We gotta do some filing on this, so the dovetail slides back in.
Cool. That's a different color wheel you got there. You going to the high grit now?
We're using the tri-poly,
Okay.
but a softer, better wheel.
Oh, it looks like denim.
It is.
Oh, okay.
Sewn denim versus the sisal wheel.
Oh, okay. It's tri-poly, not triply.
It's tri-poly. How it's pronounced in the industry, even though it would look like Tripoli.
Okay. That's good. That's all I'm giving you. Cool. That's totally good enough for what we're doing. It's gonna look sexy with the gray backing behind this. We may want to add a layer of like window screen behind this. If you can find a way to easily do that. Could just be hot glued to the back. Because we're going to put rock wool in there, and it might be better to have just window screen.
Needs a little bit more work, but it's still shiny.
That's plenty shiny for what we're doing with it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Somebody please punch up live stream for the Q&A. So at this moment they're setting that camera and where the hell is it? That microphone right there to broadcast on channel 1 on our live stream. We have 3 different TV stations broadcast from here. And you've got him recording for YouTube, which is a very long memory. And I am the president and founder of the company. You guys get to ask me absolutely anything you want. There are no rules to this. You get to do it on live television and on YouTube. The reason we do this is because I'm the president and founder of the company. So everything here is ultimately my responsibility. And we're kind of fanatical about asking questions, demanding evidence, because that is the way to critical thinking and logic and reason and common sense being something that's actually maybe common again. It also lets me really screw it up for every other president of every other nonprofit because nobody else does this, and I want to show that it can be done. Because people like you donate to companies like this. You should have the right to ask questions and demand evidence. That's how the world should work. So, yeah. So what do you want to know? You can ask me anything you want. There's no rules to this. I've even gotten boxers or briefs. You can really ask anything you want to know.
I got a question.
Yeah.
I saw this thing on your YouTube channel that happened a few weeks ago.
The Heat Group YouTube channel or the Captain's Blog?
Yeah.
You're going to talk about the guy that I had to pull a weapon on.
Yeah.
What do you want to know?
What was that about? Like who even wanted it?
Check my Facebook.
Okay.
There's a huge write-up on it. I go into the backstory, I show evidence, like we have other video from the Captain's Blog of when he was here before.
Oh, really?
Short version of it without getting into all the details, but by all means check my Facebook, it's all up there, read everything. We make a lot of videos, and not just on the Captain's Blog channel, that's the tiny channel that nobody watches. You're like one of 3 people that watch that channel here. So thank you for watching. But the main channel, we have like 60 million hits. It's a lot. There are people who watch that who may be fucknuts, really. And a gentleman in Arizona watched the main videos and watched the Captain's Blog channel and decided that he was passionately in love with one of the women here who had never met him.
Yeah.
And decided that she had been his wife for, I think it was 18 billion years. She looks great for her age. And drove here from Arizona to be with her. And one of my awesome, greatest parts of my job is fundamentally protecting my staff from crazy. And it's okay if you want to send me death threats online, I get that every day, so I'm fine with that. But you don't get to get creepy and weird and crazy with the girls that work here. That's not okay. So he showed up, and bad things happened, and we sent him back. Like, we paid to send him home. Yeah. And then he came back months later. Lather, rinse, repeat. Police are called, protection orders are filed, shit happens. And he got really mad that I kept him away from his wife. I mean, they've been married for 18 billion years. You gotta stand up for your woman. So he came in and punched me in the face. Which is, of all the best ways that could have ended, absolutely the best. Like, I would much rather have somebody punch me in the face than show up at her house and do bad things to her or anything like that. But he's still in jail, and is going to be for a while. And, yeah. But and it went all over all the local news because I pulled the sidearm on a gentleman. Bad day. I don't want to do that again. Next question. See, he's just like, they're pulling guns on dudes, man. I'm in.
I showed him the video.
Thanks. I appreciate that. But that experience, that situation, really shows how we do things here. Instead of this thing happening and there being this huge, because it's the West Side, there being this huge rumor mill and it's all got, no, this thing happened, and here's video, and here's the whole story, and here's everything you want to know about, because just get ahead of it. Don't cover it up, don't lie about it, just make a fool of yourself and say, yup, dude came in, punched me in the face. It happens. Here's what happened, here's the story, here's why. And that's how we do things here, which is really different from how, like if that happened at the Amway Grand, it'd be, yeah, I heard this thing. Yeah. Next, what do you got?
What are the dogs' names?
Oh, which one? Whoopee! Whoopee! Hi. This is Mackie. She's in charge of security. Mackie. Like the truck. And that is Moose's dog.
Okay.
And Moose brings her into work.
Okay.
Like every day. There's a bulldog around here somewhere that's named Winifred. She is a delicate little butterfly. And that's Batman's dog.
Okay.
And he brings her. And then sometimes you'll see the Kanichihuahua. It's a Chihuahua with a Japanese name, so he's the Kanichihuahua. And that's named Menchi, which actually does mean emergency food packet.
Okay.
Yeah, this dog's got issues with her life. But they're all really nice. Like even the Chihuahua, usually Chihuahuas are like little ankle biter bastards. No, he's totally chill, really mellow. They're all really nice. And sometimes Taylor brings a dog here. Any staff are allowed to bring their dogs here. It's just a dog-friendly environment. We're just fuck cats. Next, what do you got? You're easy. Yeah.
What do you do here? What's your thing?
I do physics, high voltage, mainly. And I make a fool of myself on camera, publicly and often. That's a really large part of my job. You guys saw video production?
Yeah.
I'm one of the two idiots in the videos. The other guy's actually really, really smart. He does the dinosaur videos. Brilliant dude. Has an IQ, makes me look like a carrot. My job is they hand me a thing and say, be an expert on this in 2 hours, and then they do a lot of editing. We'll shoot a 6-hour video and they make a 3-minute video out of that, of the parts where I didn't set myself on fire and stuff like that. Most of what I do is high voltage. The room with the new paint job, come check it in a month. It's that room you need to follow it every month. Once a month you need to come in and be like, damn! And then you come back a month later, damn! And that's for like the next 6 months, it's going to be like that every month. If you check it every day, it's just boring. But check it once a month, it's boring.
So if I want to do my own YouTube show or something like that, like use that studio?
No. But there's a really good reason for that. There's a much better place to do that, and it's in our backyard. Go to Bridge Street.
Okay.
There's a place called the Community Media Center. They've been around since the year dot.
Yeah.
And they'll hook you up with cameras and studio space, and they'll teach you how to use it, and they'll give you airtime, and it's a whole thing. We don't do that. And the reason is and I was a little boy, come to America from the old country. When I was in college, did a lot of work with the CMC, back when they were in the basement of the library. And I made a deal with the owner back then, when this all first started, I will never compete with you, because what they do is awesome, and it really helped me, because that's where I learned a lot of what I know. And I was like, I will never, ever, ever compete with you. And he's been dead 12 years, and it still holds true. We make videos for our channel. If you have a thing, like if you want to teach people about why masking tape sticks just the right amount, but not too much, which is why you can use masking tape for things that you can't use duct tape for, and you want to do like an hour thing on this, and you're an expert on this thing, and you want to make a geeker video, sure, totally cool. Come on in, we'll do pre-production together, I may be sitting next to you on set doing a video. But it'll go out on our air, on our channel, we edit it, we have full creative control, and Elizabeth has say over everything. The alternative is, we say, yes, you can come in and do your own YouTube videos, and now I'm competing with CMC, I can't do that. So, but I mean, if you have questions about making videos, or you want to learn something, or start your own YouTube channel, I'm happy to answer questions. I just can't let you use our studios, our gear, all that. That's strictly internal use. That's the only part of the building that's really like, us only. Everything else is shared space. Next. You got something. You got that look. You either got a really good question or you're constipated. Could go either way.
No, I just
Okay.
don't. You remember me, by the way?
You're familiar, but not
I
like...
used to volunteer you back like early 2015.
It's a long time ago. What'd you do?
Well,
It's a hell of a lot different since when you were here.
yeah, well that's why I came back. That's why I came back into the tour, but I needed a maker space, so I thought I'd come in for the tour and
Well, it is
sign up. So.
largest, oldest nonprofit makerspace on earth. So
Really?
you got that? Yeah.
Nice.
We've been a makerspace since 1994.
Really?
So we spent the first 10 years when nobody knew what the word makerspace, like that word hadn't been invented yet. We didn't invent the word. I really wish I had. What do you want to do?
I just work on my little projects like I'm into brewing like kombucha and stuff like that.
Okay.
I'm like upgrading my whole operation.
This is a good place for that.
So yeah.
Especially since I'm building new Tesla coils and I'm going to have a lot of scrap copper tubing.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you're like, I need a piece this long. No problem, I've got this.
Yeah.
I need a piece 50 feet long. So, yeah.
For sure.
What do you want to do?
Well,
Yeah.
I think out of everything I've seen so far, the 3D printing was the most
You want to talk to Jerry?
interesting.
You could be doing that today. The cool thing is, if you learn 3D printing, the stuff you have to learn to do that applies to using the big CNC equipment and doing the computerized embroidery. It's all CNC. It's all XYZ, on-off, M-code, stuff like that. It's all G-code. And it's really, people get into it there, and then they realize, I can do shit with steel? And yeah. Because our sheet driver does 4x8 sheets. Yeah, so now you're making your own furniture. What do you want to do?
I'm better check out the wood stuff.
There's a lot of wood stuff. And there's more coming. The wood shop's about to grow a lot. There's whole new labs that are coming into this place in the next couple months. Like, we're going to be doing model trains. This is going to be a huge, we're going to have a giant model train line. And it's just all kinds of stuff. Everything's changing. We're growing a lot. Like, you were here a couple of years ago, and it's radically different by now. Yeah. What do you want to do?
Everything.
Good. See, that's the right answer. You want to talk to Joey about learning welding, Jerry about learning 3D printing. And all you just got to do is walk and say, I want to learn welding. Okay, let's craft your equipment. And he's down there right now. So this is what you need to know. Membership here is horrifically expensive. You were here in 2015. This is going to blow your mind.
Yeah.
Membership when you were here was $40 a month.
Mm-hmm.
It's 20 now.
Really?
Yeah. We cut it in half. When we became a National Science Institute, like when we got upgraded, we're not a maker space anymore. We're way bigger than that. Membership here is only $20 a month. And if it's for your entire family, which is like everybody who lives in your house, that's $30 a month. And that weirdo best friend of yours that's always around and never leaves, like, you know, you buy shirts for Christmas, okay, that your mom thinks may actually be her kid, yeah, that's family. And that's cool. That's covered under the $30 a month. Yeah. Any other questions? Cool, then this is your job. You can bug that weird-looking guy over there and say, shut up and take my money and sign your life away. And he wants to sign you up and you become a member. That's how you do it. Thank you, everyone. We have a couple clamps. Yeah.
Sometimes still not enough. I got something you can do, Joey, really easy. What? There's supposed to be a piece of steel in here that goes around that, and then there was originally a rivet, but we just put a bolt here. But just mill out, doesn't have to be like exact, a slot in the middle that fits this, and it fits into the pocket here. Slides on in, and you put the stud on this clamp.
Like it's like a square that goes in?
Yeah. Give him a duplicate so that he knows he's got the measurements to go up them, because it's a little bit.
Oh, it's a bunch. I mean, these are just casts, so it doesn't
you need
have to be
two
very
pieces.
specific.
There should be 2 or 4 or something.
There's 2 of them in there, yeah. Thing is, to take it out, you'll have to take the rivet out, but we just put it in the bolt, so yeah, that's.
Newest donation?
No? Oh, I heard about it. Truck pins or something. Yeah.
Look at these things.
This is so we can pick trucks up. They go in there?
Anything with running boards or bent frames.
Is this a Toyota?
No, this is just Chevy.
Oh, it's got Camry corners.
Camry corner.
Yeah, it's got a Camry corner. Right there. Boop. Every time you see the back of a Camry, it's got that. Check it out if you don't believe me. Jesus, that's a lot of clamp. Time is 14:57, and you got to leave in like 3 minutes for a plane.
Yeah, probably get away with another few minutes around.
So did you have fun?
I did.
You want to tell people about what you did?
I unfucked a whole bunch of cables.
He's spent a week and a half?
Week and a half.
in
Probably got
CCC running cables.
100 pounds of cable sitting on the floor there now.
Easy, yeah, big
All
haircut.
that stuff, I did bring some of that stuff up, but most of that came out of the console.
And it's way more efficient, it's way cleaner. He went through 2 full spools, the cartridges for the label maker. 2 of them. It's pretty cool.
I'll be ordering you a new one when I get a few moments.
So Mitch is working on Curly. What you doing?
I'm trying to figure out what I did a year ago. You know, normal redesign.
It's like that.
Yeah, it's like that.
Is Sam here?
No, Sam is doing air compressor things.
Air compressor thing. Yeah. Chris Boden, can I help you? Hi, dog. Yeah, absolutely. All right, cool, thanks, bye.
I'm going to make a run through the office and say goodbye to those people.
All right, thank you, sir. Have you gotten to meet Luna? The atomic dog?
I've given her a few scratches
This is the atomic dog. She isn't actually a dog, she's a probability cloud of that there's... The further you get into the cloud, the more likely you are to touch dog.
Well, I think I found it right there. Right there. Right, right there.
You can tell she hates people.
Yeah.
What are they doing with the trash can? Puppy! Oh, okay. Do you have enough of that on there?
No, actually.
Okay, you know this isn't the stuff for this, right?
No, but I'm getting the stuff for this next week.
We have some.
Really?
Yeah, look down in robotics.
That diameter?
Yeah. Well, it's designed to fit those. So yeah, we've because that is not the stuff. It looks cool. It's excellent greebling, and you could probably cut this down to about here and have the right amount for that at least.
No, because it'll wind up if you turn axis 6.
Oh, you're going for rotation. Okay.
But I'm
So,
trying to get
Ethernet, air, device net, and video.
And I'm adding more.
You need power.
Device net actually carries power, but I'm going to put high current power on there as well as
Okay.
normal power.
Cool. What are you making?
Starting the clamp cart.
Cool. Don't forget to drop the saw off.
Yeah.
Okay. Dogs are hanging out. Dogs are hanging out. Hi, dog. We'll be back.
Yeah, you forgot his backpack. Yeah.
God, wherever would you find a laptop around here that you could use?
Who knows?
Laptop had things on it.
His laptop had all the midget porn on it. Because that's what they're turning it into. Oh, you're recording. Oops.
Midget Porn Productions.
I thought it was mitcheschinchillaasshole.com.
That was just ass.
You
not
can't say
asshole.
that on a blog. That'll be a real website in 2 hours.
That's what you said like a year ago, and it never happened.
You watch.
But I do think I have-
Jekyll watches
I
the
do
blog.
think I
She'll
have the
do that
email
shit.
address.
Yeah? Oh, that's a start.
I kind of want her
So
to-
you've made lots of progress.
Nope, none at all.
So you want to see the relay cabinet for the future? Here. Boop. I got the dog to boop the camera. Oh. You can do anything you want with these. They have lasers in them. And we got a shed pod full of them.
Are those like warehouse things?
Yeah, I think so.
I will say though, watching people.
So come here and take a look at this.
Pick up anyone with my eyes out. Oh, see, I thought these are just normal 19-inch racks.
No.
They're fancy Hoffman enclosures for fancy. What
Open,
sort of,
you fuck.
What sort of fancy Hoffman?
You gotta want it. There. But they're panel boards on two sides. Yeah, it's bigger than my first apartment. But this with relays, especially if there's like lights on them of any kind.
Kind of like it in.
Don't do that. He'll never get out. But yeah. But this could be a really cool relay thing. And we tinkered with the idea before, but it never really went anywhere. And this is a way that we could do it for reals. And
Actually have a real enclosure.
yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
And we have two of them even. So I figure we'll do one as a relay demo and one as a can crusher. Because we can put a big heavy cap or two, maybe three in the bottom.
Up to there.
Yeah, and then have like reaction controls up there and yeah.
It's gonna be old.
So we've got these two cabinets. They're oddball weirdo cabinets. We don't have anything to do with them.
Do you know what they're for?
No, they came out of a government thing.
That's all I know. Standard.
So that's what we got.
There's no back panel on either.
I think the backs come off. And there's no back panel, but we could probably put a panel there if we wanted for that one. It's got standoffs all over it.
Jordan, I'm so lost. Like, she was just going to DP him.
But I'd like to have a demo for high voltage. I think it'd be really cool to set up.
How many coils have we wound?
4 big ones.
There's like more than 4 up there.
Well, okay. We've wound a lot, but like recently, only 4. As far as giant ones, only 4.
All the ones we had were NFG.
Yeah, I've got 4 junk ones up there. The original twins and the Gemini coils. Those are going to be turned into a 4-poster bed in my dome.
Do lasers require any sort of exotic power?
No.
You just push.
I'd throw 5 volts across it, see what happens.
We're headed over to my shop to work on a car.
Good.
You got everything you need for it?
Pilot drilling works.
From time to time. I just been Craig jigging a lot, which is a lot of pilot drilling.
Craig jig?
Craig jig.
Craig?
Yeah. It's one E. Craig.
Krieg.
It's 1 E.
Krieg.
It's 1 E. Motherfucker.
Board split
Pilot
there.
drill still didn't work. It's like I'm using old wood.
You should put those on the diagonal. So Batman made a thing, and you should see it. It's cute. Hi, puppy!
This is the thing to get me out of the shopping cart. And eventually I'll make a real one when we can actually afford to make a real one.
I like when the dog hits her little turbo boost. That's quite something there.
No one's gonna question me when I go, you need to go get the clamps from the pink cart.
Yeah, that's the pink cart. Dog proves.
Yeah, and you have no pink on you.
Yeah, give it a minute.
Give it a minute, yeah. Come on,
We're only on the first coat.
When he's like, you said home. Where are we going?
Wanna go home?
Go home, get dinner, boy. Yeah, buddy. Dried meat. Mm-hmm.
Good night, sir.
Good night.
And good night to you guys. That's today's Captain's Vlog.